What's the single most important item in your home? About 5 years into our relationship, my girlfriend, now wife, and I were in different rooms in our one-bedroom apartment in early December. From the other room, she called out, "What do you want for Christmas?" I'd been working full-time, taking part-time university classes to finish my degree, and volunteering as part of a youth mentor program, so I replied, "All I really want is a break." 3 weeks later, I'm unwrapping a very heavy shoebox. After getting through the mountain of duct tape and several layers of wrapping paper, I had my very own brick. "I really didn't understand what you wanted it for," she said, "but you sounded so sure of it, so here you go." Cue about 10 minutes of laughs, and now that brick sits proudly on my desk. Every time I am overwhelmed, I look at it, pick it up, have a little laugh, and put it back so I can carry on. Best gift ever.